everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here again with me and Miss Ava. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I keep in Ava's diaper bag when we go to the beach. This was mainly inspired by our Anna Maria trip that we recently had. You want to be up here, Ava? Okay, she wants to be included. It's almost her bedtime. Got her all in her pajamas, but I thought that I would share this with you. But it wasn't... What? You want to say hi to all of our YouTube family? No, sweetie, you can't have that. We're going to share that with them. Yeah. Yeah, you want down? So distracted. Anyways, this was inspired by our recent Anna Maria Island trip. It was Ava's first vacation. So I'm excited to share what I brought and what works for us. I do use the same diaper bag to go to the beach. I absolutely love this diaper bag. It's just an off-brand from Amazon. It's a very popular design. I absolutely love the color. You can throw it in the wash, and basically we use this diaper bag for pretty much everything. I thought I was going to be one of those moms that has like her own fancy diaper bag, but this works because we give it to my mom, we give it to David's mom, and they can use it and I don't have to worry about it. But I am tempted to get this other diaper bag that I saw, but we'll see. I'm sure I'll share that with you too. So let's get started. There are a few things that don't fit in this bag. This is mainly just like stuff that we would take to the beach, not for the entire vacation that we went on Anna Maria. She had another separate suitcase, which I was debating sharing that with you. But I think just focusing on the beach part and what I take for her to the beach is really what I wanted to share with you for this video. But this is just mainly everything that I usually take with her to the beach. There's a few separate items like her sand toys that I cleaned, and they're all nice now. Before they were covered in sand. That would go in our separate big family beach bag. But to start off, we always pack plenty of snacks. I put snacks in her diaper bag, and then we also bring a family cooler. But she has these veggie little munchers, which kind of remind me of little cheese puffs, but they're veggies, and I get these at Aldi's. They're by the Little Journey brand. And I'll link everything below to give you guys some ideas. Of course, I bring a sippy cup with a straw. That's her favorite thing right now. We do also pack some bottles because sometimes she gets a little bit fussy and she's tired, and at that time she wants nothing but a bottle. So we pack those in the cooler just in case. I bring these Go Squeeze berry or veggie little squeezable packs, and I really like this brand lately. It's all natural, gluten, nut, and dairy free, and I get these just at Walmart, but you can get them at Publix. I also bring some teething cookies. These are by Gerber's, but we also like the Plum Baby teethers as well. And they come in individual packs, which is nice. And then, of course, she loves the puffs, the strawberry apple puffs. So it's just, as long as Ava has her snacks and she is hydrated and she's slept, she's an amazing baby. I know, I gave you your teether. You can't have that right now. Here, you want one of these? Here you go, baby. Yummy, yummy. Here, come over here and sit and eat this snack, okay? Look at your books. Look, they're over there. They're over there, sweetie. Look. Ava. Right here. Alright, so those are most of the snacks that we bring. And then, of course, I always bring her little pacifier. Ava, it's over here, baby. Look. There you go. I always bring her pacifier. This is by Dr. Brown's, but she also has a Nookum. I kind of switch between both of these, but she doesn't use a binky or pacifier like throughout the day. This is mainly when she gets tired and for nap time and bedtime. I just bought her these adorable water shoes. They're a little bit big for her because she's more in like a 4 or 5 now, and these are 5, 6. Hold on, sweetie, I'm showing them everything. I just got these at Walmart. But these are going to be amazing also for Aquatica and SeaWorld. Okay. You can sit up here while I'm showing everybody. Of course, you have to have sunglasses. She loves her sunglasses. There you go. A teether. Mostly this is quick stuff that I can grab when we're in the car on the way to the beach that she likes to play with. And then I always throw in here some like hair clips to keep her hair out of her face. But mostly this is just extra. I don't normally use this too much. She has her beach hat on most of the time. So, and then of course, sunscreen. I lather her up in this at least once every hour. This is mineral-based sunscreen by Baby Organics. This 50+. This is probably my favorite brand. It's kind of pricey, but it lasts for a long time. But this is probably my favorite brand for sunscreen. And I like their soaps as well, but that's a really good brand. You can get it at Target. I also bring some styling foam. I got this on Amazon. So far, I really like it. It's by So Cozy Kids. Just to kind of like brush her hair once we're done with the beach, because I always kind of rinse her off, change her clothes and everything, and I kind of run some of this through her hair and then brush her hair. Thank you. Thank you. You want another snack? There you go. Okay, and then I always bring, lately I haven't used too much of this, but the Newbie All Natural Teething Gel, just in case she gets fussy from teething. Tylenol. I just keep it in a little bag so it doesn't leak, but it's a Tylenol. Just in case, you never know if she's gonna feel bad or you know, get fussy. So it's always good to be extra prepared with kids. I just brought some Vaseline. I like this squeeze too because it's easier than getting your finger all over the Vaseline, but I use that to change her diaper. Ava, why'd you just drop my stuff? I bring some hand sanitizer. This is great because you can just put it right on the bag. And let's see what else is in Mama's bag for you. Oh, definitely have to have a comb. Definitely have to have a comb. Okay, diapers, 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 and of course, swimmers. So I got both. These are Pamper swimmers and these are Huggy diapers. Huggies are my favorite because I just think for the price, I just love how soft they are. Pampers is good, but just so much more expensive. And of course, I bought this wipe case that is super easy to take with us. What happened? You want your sunscreen? No. You want your bottle of styling foam? Okay. So I love this plastic case. It has an A on it, super cheap off of Amazon. And then of course we also brought her jelly sandals. These are great for on the go. She can also wear these in the sand. Flip-flops. I love these little flip-flops. So this is the hat we're using. Got this on Amazon. You can adjust the size. I definitely recommend this hat, and I will link this below. But it's by iPlay, and it has little strings that you can hold on to it to hold on to her face so it doesn't come off. I've been using this for probably at least the last like 5 or 6 months because you can make it tighter or looser, so it works for a long period of time. She's about ready to grow out of it, so I'll be getting another hat here soon, but this one worked amazing for a long time. This is her swimsuit. Right now she only has one swimsuit since she outgrew her other one. This is a 12-month swimsuit. I'm getting ready to buy her a couple of more swimsuits that are 18 months, but this is the one that we've been using recently. I love it. Matches one of my whole piece bathing suits, and I just love like the little ruffles. A really great place to get bathing suits and a lot of toddler clothes. Thank you. A lot of toddler clothes is Once Upon a Child. Even though they are used, most of the time they're just brand new because people don't really use them, and you just wash them. And I actually got this bathing suit from Once Upon a Child for like $4. You're helping me put it back, but I'm trying to show everybody. I always bring 2 outfits, something that's just easy to put on. It's lightweight. It's not, because you know it's hot. We live in Florida, so I absolutely love this little jumper for her. I usually put one of these on And then I like to change her into her bathing suit when we get there. So I usually, we go to the beach with something on, and I like to lather her up at home and let it sink into her skin. And then after we're at the beach for an hour, then I lather her back up, put it all over her face and everything. And so far she hasn't really gotten burnt. She tans pretty good, unlike her mama who gets more of a reddish tan. And then I just have some comfy shorts for her and a comfy top. And that is mainly what we bring. I also have some toys in here. Yeah, look. Some little fishies, and then she has this mermaid toy that she plays with in the pool as well. But as for all her stuff in her bag, that is what I bring. And this bag can fit a lot of stuff. Let me tell you, a lot of stuff. I love this bag. The only downfall of this bag that I have to say, there's only one thing, is that you have to use 2 hands to close it. So if you're carrying her, if you have, you know, something else in your hand, it's kind of hard to, because I see you can't really like zip this bag with one hand. You kind of have to hold this and then zip it. That's the only bad part. But I love it too because it has like these zippers in the back. So if you have to grab something really fast and you don't want to like dig for it, or there's a zipper back here or a little compartment back there. What's up, baby? Look. And then this is her cool sand kit. I got this at Walmart, but it's super cute. It's just a little basket. She loves baskets. I don't know what it is. She's obsessed with baskets right now. And what are you doing? Did you just get that all over me? She loves baskets right now, so she totes this around. But I just bought this at Walmart, and it has some, you know, of course, buckets, little buckets and little shovels for the sand. She absolutely loves the sand. So we just throw this, we have a bigger beach bag for our family, and we just throw that in there. But I think that's it, right, Ava? That's what we take to the beach with us. That's what we take to the beach with us. Probably the pool, too. I might get another beach bag here soon. Maybe I'll get one that's just for the beach. I think that would be so cute for her to have her own little beach bag and towel. But yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video of what is in my toddler's beach bag. Please hit the like button if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Until next time, bye.